new shit.
Yeah, man, we doing a Forgiato big cap removal, floating big cap. I'm gonna let y'all know how it's done, man. Them bitches hard too, boy.
All right, guys. We're gonna do an unboxing, man. Show you what's going on, man. Your authorized Forgiato dealer, man, is bodied by Vic. We sell rims, we sell cars, we do it all. We build cars. But to no further ado, show you my real choice. New Forgy with the big cap. Now this plastic, y'all can't see that's plastic. Right. Let me show you what's going on here, man. Bam! That is.
So this is the suction cup that comes with the big book cap. A little agua on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stick it right there.
So they give you pry tools. You know, I don't like this one. This one's steel. Got a good chance of damaging something with that one. So the little plastic one is kind of ideal. Let me see if I can get you a little snug on the back first.
Yeah, I gotta pull it out just to hold it.
You pulling on it?
Yeah, I'm pulling it. Here we go. We got this.
You got a gap?
Yeah, just a little bit in the bottom. There we go. Go all around. Dang.
Well, at least you know they're not gonna fall off your car. Cause once it's locked in, God damn it, it's locked in.
Where's the other one? We didn't give you another one. There we go.
Forgiato big cap float. We are Central Florida's authorized Forgiato dealer, man. Come get them. That is